Allow me fixing everything. I want to show you today how to fix the unlocking and locking onto this Volkswagen Passat. Now the vehicle is not locked, but we can see that it's unlocking. Which was unexpected, but I just closed it on and we can see now that it's not unlocking, but it's unlocked. So you can see triple tapping on the unlock button, nothing happens. So there is a connection issue somewhere, and to open the bonnet we'll need to climb on the inside and first open it on the inside. With this one like this. And I think most likely the issue is right here into this connection. So somewhere the cables, most likely right here, are broken. So now if we go inside somewhere around here, we can actually pull the loom out so we can inspect it. Okay, now we'll see. I think it just clips and there is no bolts in here, but still take this seal out a little bit, and then from here, yeah, it just, I think it just clips. There we go, just like that. And now on to here. Let's see. Okay, I pulled this one out. So after I remove this here and this one over there, there is one hook right here, and after that this one unclips, the whole thing unclips, And now if we follow the cable, it goes to here. So this is what I need to remove now. Okay, I removed this one. Here the cables are all black, which is very yeah. Then here we got enough slack from the pipe going up. I removed a couple more brackets, and here we can see we got enough slack to be going up and down. Good. So now is the moment that we pull the plastic from underneath going up. Okay, so how we're gonna do that, I'll show you in a second. Okay, I'll try now to show you what is on the back of that connector. You can see there is a spring and there is two little right there, two little prongs that you can press in order to pull out the backside. Okay, so try to get it with a screwdriver. There is two, but we can't see the other one on the other side, but there is in there. Oh, we can't see it, but it's in there. But if we can only press at least one of them, it will go out. Okay. I don't know how much you can see, but you're right there. And I'll press it now and I'll pull on the other side. And I'll try now to grab it from this side. Right around here, I think, yeah. I can show you, it's it's loose and it's moving on this side, so it will be a little bit of wiggling to get it out. Okay, so I removed the grommet here from the top, and now this spring, you need to remember at least roughly where it's located, because this is what makes the whole thing go smoothly, yeah? But we need to check here, so in order to do that we need to chop the spring. Well, maybe a little bit stupid from me, I inspected the cables and I can't see no cracks. I went up close here, and unfortunately, maybe fortunately, I can't see no problems with the whole loom onto the inside. Yeah, it's in very good condition. I can't even see like beginning of cracks, no like complete failure. And here we got complete failure, so maybe it's on the most likely it's on the handle itself, you know, on the switch here. Yeah, but we'll see. Just if you're looking to buy the grommet on this one, I'll share the part number, because my one is cracked, and I think second-hand one will be also cracked most likely. So put it back together now, not like the whole thing, just loosely, so when I'm moving the door up and down, I don't completely damage it. So with the help of a little bit of soap, I just tucked it in right here. Let's see how we're going to remove now on this part of the plastic part of the boot door, so we can get to the latch itself. I can see a few screws, one in here, yeah, one in here, behind the triangle, this one and this one. Okay, so this is enough for me to get to the latch itself, and we can see this is a 3 square, but I don't have that, so I have a big Torx, and I managed to undo one of it, so I think it will be very possible to undo the other one as well. If this one is possible, this one will be possible as well. And latch is removed. We can see this one is from 2017, so it lasted for 7 years. Don't know what brand it is. Original Volkswagen one. I'm not sure that the quality is good enough, but we'll see. So now let's keep. Where is the button? Let's continue with the disassembly. The button is right there. It's nothing to do with the latch itself. This is a little bit harder to remove. You need to pull to the side and it will come out. You can see all the clips here, and I have one missing from previously removing. This one is also removed by just pulling onto it. Yeah. Let's see now this button. So it's a little bit easier to remove the whole assembly with this screw, this one, and this one. I'll show you now. These are the 2 pins. Where are they? The 2 further, yeah, closer to this one. Okay, so I'll just touch them together, and you'll see it's open line. Can you see on the multimeter? Open line, and when I touch, 0 ohms. Okay, so that's not our problem. You can see the button. Okay, and now I'll just try to assemble that thing. I'll put a little bit of grease onto it. I have no grease, so it will be no grease. Let's see now. So I'll need to. Someone did not assemble this thing correctly last time, I think, because I got like a little grips next to it, like this, and then from here in. I don't know. So there is a correct way of installing. Can you see the protrusion? So there we go, that's how it needs to be. And you should hear the clicking. I don't know if you can hear it, but okay, so put it back. There's a little chunk missing. I'll put it back onto the car, but this thing is not our problem. Okay, after this, let's try to dismantle this door mechanism, door latch, like this maybe. Okay, and now you can see this one is being I'll just be careful to not stab myself with a screwdriver. Oh yeah. Good. Oops. Oh, pull this one out now. So this one is unlatching this one. And if we say that this one is locked, like this you unlock it like that. Right? Right. So how do you assemble it? Like this? Yeah. So the black one moves. So what is happening, this one is pushing to the right, like this, all the way in, It senses it and it pushes it back. Nice one. There is 2 points here, can you see? There is two buttons. What are they doing? So they're telling the mechanism that it's closed, huh? Maybe. Let's see now. Yes, one of them is half locked, another one is full locked. 1, 2. Like this. And then they tell when it's unlocked or locked. So let's see now. Let's see which one goes to where. Usually doors are locked into something and they can be taken out. So let's see if we can pull it out gently or not. I'll leave it as it is. We'll see if we have somewhere and how much resistance we have in between, and that's how we'll know. If the motor is good, we should have resistance on the electric brushes. .9 ohms. Good. And now let's see this one here, open line, and I'll close one. I'll try, I don't know how. Maybe I'll pull this one out like so. It will take me a little bit of time, but can you see ohms? I saw ohms. You saw ohms as well. I didn't see the measurement though. 3 ohms. That's good. Let's see. Top one and the third one are 3 ohms. Bottom one and the first one are maybe 3 ohms as well. 3 ohms, yeah. And motor is 3 ohms. I think it's 3 ohms as well. You see now how it will. Three ohms, but like this. I'll show now. Okay. It will take me a little bit of time because it's hard with one hand and unfortunately I can't tell you, but it is connected. You got a good connection, I'm sure. After some cleaning, I don't know, I removed the motor on the inside and I just sprung a little bit the sprockets, and you can see that when I press the button, this thing does work. It actually closes the latch, opens the latch. So I'm not sure, but I think this was the problem. The latch on the inside was not making a good connection for some reason, and didn't want to work properly. I will just close it with the little springs on top so it does not move anymore. Okay, so I will consider it fixed now. I put this one in, and I will put the zip tie on. So I'll just assemble it back together. I'll push this one through here, as you can see it. Like this. If you have any silicone spray, it's always a good idea to spray some silicone spray on the inside. It just prevents the hard movement of the cables. Okay, if I don't continue the video, we consider it fixed. Putting all the plastics back together will take quite a bit of time. I'm not going to film it, you saw how I dismantled it. Something important, because I was listening, if I can hear any sound, when you're closing the lock here, there is no sound. And I was thinking there should be a sound, but there isn't a sound or movement when you're locking or unlocking. Okay, keep that in mind. It does work. I tried like 15 times, so see you on the next one. Bye bye.